Hello everybody, in today's video I'm going to show you how to enable two-factor authentication in XM. Two-factor authentication 2FA adds an extra layer of security to your XM account. Even if someone gets your password, they still cannot log in without a verification code from your phone, making your account much safer. So first, open the XM app and it will authenticate with your Face ID or your password as well. And once you get into this interface of your XM app, simply go to your profile icon in the top right corner, and under the setting there, tap on the setting, and over here we can find there's an option for the security just below the profile. Tap on the security there, and over here you can select to this multi-factor authentication below the change profile password. You can also authenticate with using your Authenticator app, or you can simply authenticate using your email authentication as well, and select what you prefer and simply select to this get started and proceed to it on the bottom. And over here you need to scan the QR code or enter the security code, and after that you can simply tap on the continue there on the bottom again. And over here, type down the 6-digit code shown in your Authenticator app, and you can simply tap on the verify code, and that is it. Thank you for watching this video. I hope I could help. If you have any queries or confusion, please comment down and we will reach out to you very soon.